Ever wondered how to enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Bella Blend, your ultimate beauty guide where we explore all things makeup and self-care. My name is Bella Blend, your friendly guide on this transformative journey where beauty meets confidence. Today, we're going to delve into beauty transformations, exploring the art and science behind enhancing your natural radiance. Whether you're a seasoned beauty expert or a beginner just dipping your toes in the world of makeup, this journey is for you. We'll explore various techniques, tips, and tricks, unlocking the secrets to a flawless makeup look that's uniquely you. And not to worry, we believe in beauty at every skill level, so there's something for everyone here. So grab your favorite beauty tools and get ready to unleash your inner goddess. First up, let's talk about the power of a flawless base. It's all about that glow from within, my darlings. The secret to a stunning makeup look begins with a perfect base. It sets the tone for the rest of your makeup, and when done right, it can make you look like you're radiating from within. Let's start with the first step, primer. A good primer not only smooths your skin, but also ensures your makeup stays put all day. It's like the undercoat before you paint a masterpiece. Next up, foundation. The key to a flawless base is to match your foundation to your skin tone. It's not about creating a new face, but enhancing the one you already have. Remember, the goal is to look like you, but a little bit enhanced. The technique is just as important as the product. Start by dotting the foundation onto your skin. Then, blend it out using a beauty blender or a brush. Always blend in an upward motion, never drag or pull down, as we want to lift the face, not drag it down. Now it's time for concealer. Use it sparingly to hide any blemishes or under-eye circles. The trick is to apply it on the areas you want to highlight or bring forward. Then, blend it out with your beauty blender or brush. Finally, set your base with a loose or pressed powder. This will lock in your foundation and concealer and prevent them from creasing or shifting throughout the day. Lightly dust the powder all over your face, focusing on the T-zone, which tends to get oily. And there you have it, a flawless base. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't get disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. It's all about learning and having fun in the process. Remember, less is more. We want to enhance, not hide, our natural beauty. So go ahead, grab your beauty tools, and let's get blending. Now onto the eyes, the windows to the soul. Let's make them pop, shall we? The magic of eye makeup lies in its transformative power. With just a few strokes of color, you can go from a soft daytime look to a sultry, smoky eye for a night out. But before we dive into colors, let's talk about the importance of a good eye primer. It's the unsung hero of any eye makeup look, ensuring your shadows stay put and look vibrant throughout the day. Next, we're going to pick our base shadow color. This should be a neutral shade close to your skin tone. Apply it all over your lid as a canvas for the other colors. Now it's time to define our crease. Choose a slightly darker shade than your base color. Using a fluffy blending brush, apply this shade into your crease in a windshield wiper motion. This will give your eyes some depth and dimension. Moving on to the fun part, color. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Opt for a shade that complements your eye color. For example, purples and golds work beautifully on brown eyes, while blues and grays make blue eyes pop. Apply your chosen color on the center of your lid. Then take a darker shade and apply it on the outer corner of your eye, creating a V shape. This will give your eyes a lift and add a touch of drama. And here's where the magic happens: blending. Grab your blending brush and gently blend the colors together, ensuring there are no harsh lines. This might take a bit of practice, but trust me, it's worth it. To finish off your eye look, add a touch of highlighter on the inner corner of your eyes and your brow bone. This will instantly brighten your eyes and make them appear larger. Remember, blend, blend, blend. That's the key to achieving a flawless eye look, my lovelies. Now that the eyes have it, let's move on to the final touches. This is where we bring everything together, my darlings. The brows frame the face and the lips add that extra dash of charm. Let's start with the brows. The key here is to follow the natural shape of your brows. You want to fill them in lightly, not create a whole new brow. And don't forget to brush through with a spoolie to blend the product in. This will give you a more natural look. Moving on to the lips. It's important to prep your lips before applying any product. A little bit of lip balm goes a long way in keeping your lips hydrated and smooth. Now, when it comes to choosing the right color, I always say go with what makes you feel good. There are no rules in makeup after all. Once you've chosen your color, start by outlining your lips with a lip liner that matches your lipstick. This will help your lipstick stay in place and prevent any bleeding. Then, fill in your lips with your chosen lipstick. And there you have it, a perfect pout. Now let's not forget the highlighter. This is what will give you that glowing, dewy look. Apply it to the high points of your face, the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, the brow bone, and the Cupid's bow. Remember to blend it in well to achieve a natural glow. Finally, set your makeup with a setting spray. This will ensure your makeup stays in place and looks fresh all day long. Just a few spritzes and you're good to go. And voila, a masterpiece fit for a queen. Look at you, glowing and radiant, ready to take on the world. Remember, beauties, confidence is your best accessory, so wear it proudly. Makeup is fun, it's a form of expression, but it's your confidence that truly makes you shine. So go ahead, strut your stuff and let your inner beauty shine through. But wait, that's not all. We've journeyed through the enchanting world of beauty transformations, explored the power of a flawless base, and dived into the art of eye makeup. We've enhanced our natural beauty, not hidden it, and we've made our eyes pop, the windows to our soul. But remember, the radiant glow we've achieved today is just the beginning. Each day offers a new opportunity to experiment, to grow, and most importantly, to shine. In the world of beauty, there are no rules, only tools to help us express our unique selves. So be bold, be daring, but above all, be you. And keep an eye out for our next adventure, where we'll explore more beauty secrets and techniques. Thank you for joining me today on Bella Blend. I hope you feel inspired to embrace your unique beauty and shine like the stars you are. Until next time, stay fabulous.